National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Yancey County in western North Carolina until 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:06 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Rainfall totals will continue to pile up along and downstream of the parkway, with a few spots topping 7 inches. Additional heavy showers and surges of high water are expected to flow down both the South Joe and King rivers. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Burnsville, Mount Mitchell State Park, Blue Ridge Parkway, Craggy to Little Switzerland, Silo, Micaville, Busick, Green Mountain, and Bandana. Heavy rain is increasing the risk of landslides, especially in areas where slides have occurred in the past. Be especially alert if you are near a stream, especially at the base of a mountain or in a cove. Watch for loose-moving soil and rocks or a sudden increase in stream flow. Leave the area quickly if this is observed. When driving along roads where the terrain is steep or rocky, watch and listen for falling rocks, mud, trees, and other debris. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.